Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in beautiful Chicago, talking copper futures. The rally slowed today in copper after 2 days straight of gains, and the volume has come off a little bit since reaching a high volume for the week. 2 days ago we had that over 1% rally, and copper ends up being down a little over 0.5% today. Now, there really wasn't much going on. The rally that we saw a couple of days ago was based off of more threats of labor strikes in South America on the production side. And we've got a little bit of growth in expected demand, or at least I should say they're expecting more demand growth off of some strong credit numbers out of China. Chinese new yuan loans, which are supposed to be about 1.5 billion in aggregate, ended up being about 1.72 billion, and the composite, about 1.3 expected, ended up being about 1.5 billion. That's a pretty big jump in new loans, and generally loans in China go into construction, which goes into copper. So you would think that would help keep copper bid, and really copper didn't fall that much today, especially given that we had 3 days of rally prior to the fall that we've seen today. One of those days was really an unchanged day, but given that it had gapped open higher from the previous day's close, we'll call that an up day as well. We also saw some dollar strength today on the back of a little bit more hawkish comments out of Yellen, and this is the second day that the dollar is higher. It's basically been hitting all of the base metals. So when you combine all these things, the sellers won out in copper today. Now, we are waiting for much more information on the growth side globally for the next couple of weeks, and the strike that I mentioned in South America hasn't really been approved yet. So copper is more stabilizing, and you're seeing some of the longs on the speculative side that made money sell out in this down a little over 0.5% day. But again, it's a mixed bag with the sellers winning out today. This is Bob Iaccino talking copper futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.